You spend years mastering the clinical side of dentistry, perfecting the art and science of patient care. But the moment you open your own practice, you're suddenly forced to take on unwanted roles: a marketer, a bill collector, and a full-time administrator. The friction costs of a standard clinic are massive. Every hour your staff spends playing phone tag to fill the schedule, every dollar poured into advertising budgets, and every week spent chasing unpredictable payments are resources bleeding out of the practice. It's a model designed to break down. To fix this, independent clinics often turn to standard corporate networks just to get bodies in the chair, but that usually requires surrendering a heavy cut of your revenue to commissions or sacrificing your clinical autonomy entirely. AssistIA reverses that dynamic. Built as a dedicated first care network, it acts as a protective layer around your practice, absorbing the administrative burden entirely for free. Moving these business logistics out of the clinic's daily workflow allows the clinical team to increase patient volume while keeping their focus entirely on the quality of care. The first advantage is patient acquisition, requiring zero ad spend. AssistIA acts as a central aggregator, capturing users from corporate benefit programs, insurers, cooperatives, and banks. Instead of social media campaigns, these validated patients are channeled straight to verified clinics. Once a patient requests an appointment, an artificial intelligence agent takes over. It autonomously checks your clinic's availability, books the scheduling slot, sends out the necessary reminders, and reactivates patients who drop off. The system synchronizes notifications across the patient, the clinic, and the corporate provider, eliminating manual phone tag and the administrative bottlenecks usually found at the front desk. Automating the funnel completely eliminates traditional customer acquisition costs and turns your front desk from a chaotic call center back into a dedicated patient care center. The network also restructures the economics of the first care visit. Every patient interaction and covered service is registered and reconciled through AssistIA's automated compensation system. This generates highly predictable cash flow. Payouts for first care services are guaranteed and processed via direct transfer or credit card every single Monday. After that initial first care service is completed, you maintain complete clinical freedom. The dentist is entirely in control of what happens next. If the patient requires further work, your clinic creates its own diagnostic plan. You set your own prices for any recommended secondary treatments, and you retain the long-term relationship with that patient. AssistIA takes absolutely zero commission on those subsequent clinic-directed procedures. Your practice keeps 100% of the revenue generated. The network functions purely as an introduction and organization engine, never as a toll booth on your clinic's long-term profitability. Beyond the direct patient pipeline, joining a verified regional network unlocks significant operational benefits, starting with collective buying power. Network members gain access to progressive discounts on essential clinic operations, covering everything from daily dental supplies and biomaterials to clinical technology and premium implants. The network also provides a dedicated professional development ecosystem. Clinics receive subsidized access to continuing education, hands-on symposiums, and specialized training with regional partners. By pooling these ecosystem benefits, an independent clinic artificially inflates its scale and resources, allowing it to compete directly with massive corporate chains. It all comes back to AssistIA's four-pillar mandate: to connect, protect, care, and accompany the patient journey. The partnership relies on a strict division of labor. Your clinic retains its brand, its independent pricing, and its medical autonomy. AssistIA simply provides the technology and the logistics. By stripping away marketing friction, automating the schedule, and guaranteeing weekly pay, the entire dental team is liberated. AssistIA's true value is giving dentists operational freedom to focus exactly where they are needed most: building patient relationships and delivering clinical excellence. Affiliation is completely free, with zero enrollment fees, zero monthly costs, and zero permanence clauses. Your clinic cares for the patient. AssistIA connects and organizes everything else.